Good evening, welcome back to Clark's Cookery. Today is June 13th, 2024, and we are in the Zephyr branch of Clark's Cookery's gardens. Really quickly, here's a little grasshopper, and we have a ladybug. So we have some welcome friends in the garden. This is the okra patch. This is Cowhorn Okra that I grew this year, and as you can see, it is time to pick one. Now these can get up to 11 inches long, but I don't let them get that long. I don't want to risk them being wooden. So let's go ahead and pick it. I'm cutting one-handed, so I'll let it hit the ground. There we go. Cowhorn Okra, first of the season. Thanks for watching.